Now the first step is collection of data. So here is definition of collection of data, or the definition of data. So we may define data as quantitative information about some particular characteristics under consideration, right? So data is nothing but what? We are collecting some information which is related with our project, then it is called as what? It is called as data. Now there are two types of data, as I said, those are qualitative and quantitative. So we can find statistical values only for quantitative data. But what about qualitative data? So we have to convert that qualitative information, into quantitative information by providing the numerical description, right? Now we are dividing our data into two types. Those types are primary data and secondary data. Now what the primary data is, or what the secondary data is? So what the primary data is? Primary data is nothing but collection of data which are collected for the first time by an investigator or agency. Okay, so the primary data is nothing but what? Collection of data for the first time by an investigator or agency are known as primary data. For example, in census method, that teacher is going to each and every family in particular area and he is collecting the data, right? So this is called as what? Primary data. And what the secondary data is? The data are known to be secondary if the data as being already collected are used by different person or agency, right? So whatever data collected by that teacher is used by government to do different policies or for a different purpose. So that collected data by teacher is secondary data for government, right? So here is an example given by them. So what the example is? If Professor Das collects the data on the height of every student in his class, right, then these would be primary data for him. So Professor Das collected data, okay, so he collected, so this data is primary data for him. If however the another person, say Professor Bhargava, uses the data as collected by Professor Das, so ये भार्गवा ने किया है क्या collect data? No. So he have used Professor Das data, right, for finding average height of students belong to that class. So the data would be secondary for Professor Bhargava. I hope you understood this difference between primary data and secondary data. Now this is the first method which is used for collecting primary data. So individual data we are going to consider by an agency or investigator is called as primary data. So there are different methods which are used for collection of primary data. What the methods are? First is interview method, second is mail questionnaire method, third is observation method, and last is questionnaires filled and sent by enumerators. So interview method everybody knows. If someone wants to collect information, he or she may take your interview and then he will write in their respective forms, right? What is mail questionnaire method? They will mail you some questions and you this is called as what? Questionnaire method. What is observation method? By observing something, they are going to take some decisions, or they are going to write results based on what? Observation method. And last is what? Questionnaires filled and sent by enumerators.